Hi everybody, welcome back to Generic Fun 95, and now this time we have my rare 10-hour T-200 Memorex VHS tape. Now these tapes are very rare, so I'm planning on holding on to them for as long as possible. And this is my final tape I'm ever going to be getting, because it's just crazy having tapes all the time in this day and age. Yeah, I'm actually going to use a pen to open the tape, because this time the tape is so grabby. Pens make great substitutes for knives. What do you think? Do pens make great substitutes for knives? And they're safer too. Alright, here it is. It's all wrapped in plastic. And it smells a little funny. Here it is. My second 10-hour tape. And I'm going to review this tape. Apparently, in SP mode, you can record up to 3 hours and 20 minutes. In LP mode, you can record up to 6 hours and 40 minutes. And in SLP or ELP, I don't know what ELP means, but I know what SLP means, and I have that. It goes up to 10 hours, which I'm intending to record on. Yep, this is my Memorex extended length 10-hour 200 tape like the other one. And I think I'm actually going to leave it in the plastic for a while to know how rare it is. Anyway, thank you guys. I know I want to open this tape, but I don't want to because I want to keep it preserved for a long time. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this tape unboxing video. And this is the last tape I'll ever would have gotten, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.